Hi, once again, I'm Raymond Staple at DragonBlogger.com, and we're talking about the QICENT power strip, which also has 5 USB ports on it. And in order to demonstrate that, we're going to move the camera just a little bit, and hopefully keep everything in line. I apologize for this. And that's beside me, where we're going to look at this power strip. Now right now I am at church and I do not have anything to plug into the main part of the power strip, the normal electrical outlet portion. But plugging it into the wall, immediately the first thing I notice is that it lit up blue through here, and there's a little blue light, maybe hard to see, but there's a little blue light right there, lit up to let me know that it's on. Now, I'm assuming I just turned on the strip itself. The light, no matter which direction this is flicked, that's the power on. It still seems to be on. The part that's most important to me right at this moment is, does it charge a tablet? So we're going to plug in our tablet. Tablet is plugged in. And I may have it turned off. Let's see. Yes, I did have it turned off. So let me get this in line here. If you can see right there, it is saying that it is charging. So by turning it on, the tablet charges, puts out all the amperage probably that it's going to need, but let's take a look anyway, just to see what does the ampere meter actually say. There it is. Until later it asked me. So it says that it's measuring. There we go. And it says about 1400, now 1390 milliamps. That's about normal. What I've seen with most of the chargers that I've tried out, they put out roughly that range. It's saying the max is 100 milliamp hours or milliamps, and the minimum is 1390. So that falls in range with what I expect a good power charger to put out. Now if I turn off that button, it should say that there's no charge happening, so we know that that needs to be positioned with the, let me move the tablet out of the way. That needs to be positioned so that the outside portion of that lever is pushed in. That means the line is going to be in, the circle is going to be sticking out into the air. On the back, there are no ports here, or little slots here for hanging this onto a wall. Sorry about that, my computer powered off a little bit. On the back, as I was saying, there are no slots here to give me the option to hang this on the wall. There are little rubber feet on each corner there to prevent this from slipping around on my desk. It allows me to place 6 items. What's nice is, because of the fact that there's a pretty good amount of room around each one of these holes here, and the ground plug is facing inward, then I'm going to be able to, I believe, utilize all 6 of these spots pretty easily. Now, of course, if I have, and I do have one thing I could plug in just to show something actually sliding into that spot. I do have a typical Android power strip, power supply. Can slide right in there. Now something like this, obviously, if I want it to want to be able to use the other holes for other things, I'm going to have to place it down near the end so that it can take up the least amount of plug space. Because if I were to place it up here, I lose 2 plugs. Yes, this one's uncovered, but the cable is in the way, so therefore it's still not good. And those are really good and snug. I'm actually having to pull, so it's not just going to slip right out. That's kind of nice. Now, I plugged this in, so let's test to see if it actually puts out through the USB connection. So this is a charger for an Android tablet also. You can see that it says it's measuring. Right now, it's measuring a lot lower, but it's building up. You see that it's going up in the numbers. And there we go. So we're actually hooking up the charger. Yes, the number's a little more stable as far as the high end as with the actual power charger as opposed to the USB connection. But nonetheless, either one will work just fine for charging up a USB device or an Android device, charging up my tablet, which I use right now to record the videos, charging up anything that I might need to charge. This power strip appears to be capable of handling those and doing those. I'll have to get my glasses, which I do not have, and possibly a magnifying glass to read the information in the manual. What I will do is once I've read things, if I see anything in there that needs additional explanation or needs to be shared a little bit more, I will do so in the written portion of the review. For now, this is Raymond Stapleton with DragonBlogger.com, wishing you a great evening and even better tomorrow.